mystical armor. Thanks. Gonna keep that. And take out the letter. Oh wow, spirit armor. Thank you. I think all these letters are from her because she's really my biggest fan. I'll show who is her. This is my sister. Also, she's also my biggest fan. Great. I might have to log out and log back on. Oh great. I do. Alright. So let's try that middle time again. Remember, I got mystical armor and the spirit armor set. So we're gonna wait for this to load. Thank you. And I have 8 more letters left. Go to my dude. Oh wait. Ooh. Spirit and let us recycle the letter. Oh wow, after armor. Keep. Alright, I'll be right back so I can load it again. Alright, back. I just had to set something. Thanks. Alright, new gift. Wow, Stegosaurus tail. You can buy those, but I keep the stuff. Lightning necklace, cool. You can buy that also. Load. Let me do the thing again. Well, I guess they're gonna run me out. But let's try again. Does melt time not be the greatest because it's on a slow working computer? But alright, so 4 more gifts left. Okay, I have to delete that one because that was a lightning necklace. Oh wow, phantom mask. Thanks. Oh my goodness. Load up. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it again. Oh great, now it's like this. This computer is highly not irresistibly irresponsible for kids. Thank you. Sorry about this, guys. It's just this computer. Okay, back. Wow, a New Year's party hat. Wow. Thanks. Oh, good. Oh, jeez. Alright, let's just continue it here. Wow, a rare spike wristband. Now I can give that to my sis. All I need is the color. Oh my gosh! This is going towards my sis, like right at this very moment. But yeah, so it's a party hat and everything else. Wow. Thank you. Alright, well, that's all for today. Bye!